You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. I'm your host, and today we're diving into what it takes to move internationally from one of California's most iconic regions, Orange County. At SDC International Shipping, we've seen steady growth in international moves out of OC. But let me tell you, Orange County isn't just beautiful, it's uniquely complicated. Graded communities, high-rise condos, tight HOA regulations. Moving out of here requires finesse. We've packed fine art. We've cleared dock access. We've navigated Newport's narrow beachfront lanes with custom crating in tow. Our team doesn't just understand the OC, we move it. Here's what a client had to say. STC worked around my HOA's move-out hours, packed our wine collection and home office gear, and had everything in Melbourne before we even touched down. That's what we mean by tailored service. It all starts with a personalized consultation. You'll be matched with a relocation advisor who knows Orange County like the back of your hand. You coordinate with the HOA, secure elevator access, even handle building insurance paperwork. And what do OC families ship? Everything from designer furniture and surfboards to vintage guitars and luxury wardrobes. We've seen it all and packed it with care using internationally certified materials. Now, let's talk about mistakes we help our clients avoid. We've had clients come to us after poor experiences, like this one, whose movers didn't notify their gated community. That led to a half-day delay and a fine. Or a family in Huntington Beach, whose broker didn't know how to pack their antique piano. And guess what? Their insurance claim was denied. With SDC, these issues vanish. We're proactive. We plan around you, and we're fully transparent about fees and regulations. We don't just handle your belongings, we protect your peace of mind. Here's why Orange County Global Outlook matters. It's a community full of expats, entrepreneurs, retirees, and families with international roots. And that means they don't just want a mover, they want a guide. At SDC, we understand the custom forms, the timing of overseas school calendars, and the value of constant communication. And when your shipment is on the water or in the air, you are still connected to us. Your dedicated advisor stays in touch until every item is delivered. Here's what a client had to say. Our move from Newport Beach to Portugal involved split shipments and storage. SDC made it so smooth. We were never worried once. Whether you're shipping a full household, just a few essentials, or even your car, we've got a plan and a team just for you. So if you're planning to move internationally from Orange County, don't leave anything to chance. Work with the people who know your neighborhood, your ports, and your priorities. Visit SDC International Shipping or call 877-339-0267 to speak to a relocation specialist right here in Southern California. At SDC, we don't just ship boxes, we move lives.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.